How are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 5 Mathematics Olympiad. And in class 5 Mathematics Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to continue the chapter that is angle. Okay, so in our previous session, we have already solved some questions of this chapter, and in our today's session, we are going to discuss some more questions of this chapter. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so let's get started. Our first question, how many acute angles are there in the diagram? Okay, so here there is a diagram and sorry. So in this given diagram, we have to find how many acute angles are there. You know what is acute angle? Acute angle is the angle which is less than 90 degree. Okay, so we can think of the angles, right? So what may be the angles? We will start it from this AOB, okay, AOB, then this one angle BOC, then this one angle COD, then this one angle DOE. Okay, now this AOC, this one is also less than 90 degree, right? We can see it. So angle AOC and also the angle AOD, it is also less than 90 degree, right? So angle AOD. Next one about BOD, it is also an acute angle. Next one is angle BOE. This one is also an acute angle. Finally, COE. Okay, so these are the total number of acute angles which are present in the diagram. Right. So how many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. So here the correct answer is 9. And where it is present? It is present in option B. Got it? Coming to the next question. How many acute angles are there in this pentagram? Option A 5, B 10, C 15, D 20. So here it is asked how many acute angles are there in this pentagram. Okay, so acute angle, as we know, it is less than 90 degree. So here 5 triangles are there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles are there, and in each triangle 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, right? So in each triangle, 3 acute angles are there. Others are obtuse angle. You know what is obtuse angle? That is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So here total 5 triangles are there. Okay, in one triangle, the number of acute angle, that is 3, and for 5 triangles it will be 5 into 3, that is equal to 15. So correct answer is option C, that is 15. Okay, coming to the next question. How many acute angles are there in the diagram? Option A 5, B 8, C 9, D 10. So in the question it is given how many acute angles are there in the diagram. So how many acute angles are there? Let us find out. So these two are acute angles, right? Then these two, then these two, next these two, and these two, right? So how many acute angles are there? Here 2 plus 2, 4, 2, 6, 8, 10. Total, how many acute angles are there? Total 10 acute angles are there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So correct answer is option D, that is 10. Got it everyone? Coming to the next question. How many right angles are there in the diagram? Option A 2, B 4, C 8, D 16. So we have to find how many right angles are there in the diagram. So as you can see, these are parallel lines, right? And here this is given, that means these are 90 degree or right angles. That means this structure, it is enclosing a rectangle. Okay, so in the rectangle, see, for this one, for any one corner, how many right angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, similarly 4 corners are there, then here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many right angles are there? Total 16 right angles are there. Okay. So correct answer is option D, that is 16. Coming to the next question, how many of the following figures have parallel lines? So here 6 different figures are there. Options are A2, B3, C4, D5. So we have to find out how many of the following figures have parallel lines. So in the triangle there is no parallel line. In the square, yes, these are parallel. These two lines are parallel. And here no parallel line. Here, yes, these two lines, then these two, these are parallel, okay. And here also, this is parallel with this, then this is with this is with this. And here in the circle, no parallel lines are there. So, how many figures are there having parallel lines? 1, 2 and 3. So, correct answer is option B, that is 3. Okay. Coming to the next question. How many pairs of parallel lines are there in the figure? Option A 0, B 1, C 2, D 3. So, in the question it is asked how many pairs of parallel lines are there in the figure. So you can see a lot of lines are there, right? So we have to find the parallel lines. How many pairs of parallel lines are there? So how many pairs of parallel lines are there? Yes, can you tell? Here this is one pair, right? And where it next? This one is parallel with this one, okay? And I don't think any other parallel lines are there. Do you think so? Yes? No? Right? So here we are having two parallel lines, two pairs of parallel lines, okay? So correct answer is option C, that is 2. Coming to the next question. How many angles in the given figure are less than a right angle? Option A 2, B 3, C 4, D 5. So we have to find out how many angles in the given figure are less than a right angle. Okay. So how many angles are there? These are less than a right angle. Okay. So this one, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the angles which are less than that is right angle or 90 degrees. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So correct answer is option D, that is 5. Coming to the next question. How many of the given letter have parallel lines? Option A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. So in the question it is given how many of the given letters have perpendicular lines. So what letters we have? We have M, then A, okay. Let me write it straightwise. M, A, T, H, S. So perpendicular line, this type of line, right? It should make 90 degree. So where it is present? In the T it is there, right? In the H also it is there, these lines. Yes. So this one, this one, this one, this one. So these are the perpendicular lines. Okay. So in which letters perpendicular lines are there? It is T, and in H. In M, A, S, no perpendicular lines are there. Right. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is 2, which is present in option B. So correct answer is option B, that is 2. Got it everyone? Coming to the next question, which of the following is not drawn in the diagram? Option A, ray BD, B, line AT, C, angle B, D, line segment CD. So it is asked which of the following is not drawn in the diagram. Not drawn in the diagram. So ray BD, is it there? BD? Yes, BD is there. Okay. Here arrow mark is there. So gravity, it is present. Line AD, yes. AD line, it is also present. Angle B, yes. This angle B is there. Yes. Line segment CD. C and D, there is no line segment joining the 2 points C and D. So this one is not present. Okay. So what will be the correct answer? That is option D. Line segment CD. Got it? Coming to the last question, Danny is due an angle as shown here. Money is due an angle that was twice the measure of Danny's angle. What was the measure of Money's angle? Option A 20 degree, B 70 degree, C 80 degree, D 60 degree. So Danny is due an angle as shown and Money is due an angle that is twice the measure of Danny's angle. We have to find the measure of Money's angle. Okay, so this is the angle, so it is 0 degree, then here 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so Dennis drew the angle which is 40 degree, and then Manish twice that of Dennis, right? So Manish twice that of Daniel, which is 2 into 40 degree is equal to 80 degree. So we have to find the measure of Mani's angle. What is the answer? That is 80 degree. Where it is present? It is present in option C. Okay. So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay. So meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.